Hi boys and girls, I'm back. Alright, so today we are going to do practice 4 on division using multiplication fact. Alright, so I hope you have already watched the video, and then now we are going to do some exercises, okay? Right, so let's take a look at this. Now you have a given multiplication here. Alright, but something else is missing. 4 multiplied by what gives you a 16. So if you have memorized your times table, right, so it should be 4 times 4 gives you a 16. Now can you see that this is the total for a division? All right, it's actually the same, okay, because we are actually taking the multiplication equation to convert it into a division equation. They are actually related, so you have to take the total, and that's 16. So for division, total comes first. All right, so divided by either the group or the group or the items. So in this case, it's 16 divided by 4. All right, so it's either one, okay, because coincidentally the answer is both the same. So 16 divided by 4 gives you a 4. Okay, so part B, 3 times 3 gives you a 9. Again, 9 is the total, so for division, the total comes first. So 9 divided by 3, again, the group and the items is the same, so it's 3 as well. Okay, right, let's move on. Okay, what times 4 gives you 24? 6 times 4 gives you 24. Another way of writing 6 times 4 equals 24 is 4 times 6 is equals to 24. That's another way of writing, but both of them will give the same, exactly the same answer. Okay, now, so if you were to do a division equation, you have to take the total, that's 24 first. So if it's 24 divided by 4, the answer will be 6. Okay, but if you take 24 divided by 6 first, right, so your answer will be a 4. So can you see the relation? So you have 24 divided by 4 gives you 6. So in this case, if you take 24, that's a total, divided by 6, then your answer will be 4. So actually the equations, can you see the relation? Is actually the same. Alright, you form your division equation from your multiplication division. Alright, let's try another one. 3 times 5 gives you 15. Another way of writing will be 5 times 3 is 15. Again, 15 is the total, so 15 comes first. 15 divided by 3 is a 5. Again, the total doesn't change place, it's still 15. 15 divided by, if this is 3, so the next one will be a 5 is equals to 3. Okay? Right, next. 10 times 4 gives you 40. So here will be 4 times 10 is 40. Total, 40 divided by 4 is 10. 40 divided by 10 is 4. Okay, 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 9 is equals to 27. 27 is the total, so 27 divided by 3 gives you 9. 27 divided by 9 gives you a 3. Can you see? Alright, the numbers keep repeating because they are all the same. It gives the same answer. Okay? Alright, let's do the next part. Okay, part G. What times 2 gives you 12? Yes, it's 6 times 2 gives you 12. 2 times 6 is also 12. Total is 12. So 12 divided by, okay, up to you. If you want to take 6 first, so it's 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Can you see that they only change, these two change place, but the total remains the same. Okay, the total must always be first for division. Okay, next. What times 5 equals to 10? And that's a 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. Total, that's 10. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. Okay, right, next. What times 10 equals to 70, that's 7. 10 times 7 is 70. 70 being the total, so 70 divided by 7 is a 10. 70 divided by 10 is a 7. They change place, crisscross. Okay, right, next. What times 2 is 14, and that's 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 7 is 14. So 14 is the total. For division, total comes first. So 14 divided by 7 gives you a 2. 14 divided by crisscross, so that's a 2, gives you a 7. Okay, right, next. What times 10 equals to 60? So that's 6 times 10 is 60. 10 times 6 is 60. 60 is the total. So 60 divided by 6 is equals to 10. 60 divided by 10 is equals to 6. Crisscross. Okay, next. What times 7 is 35? 7. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 is the total. So 35 divided by 7 gives you a 5. 35 divided by 5 gives you a 7. Okay, right, let's move on. Okay, the question states divide. Okay, divide 21 books equally. Take note of the word equally among 3 children. Okay, so now you have 2 numbers. All right, always remember the total comes first for division. So 21 divided by 3. What's 21 divided by 3? Alright, if you don't know, then go back to your multiplication. 3 times what equals to 21? 3 times 7. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. So that's your answer, 7. Each child gets 7 books. Alright, next. Share, again, the word share. 24 oranges equally among 4 workers. Total is 24. Alright, divided by the number of workers, that's 4. So 24 divided by 4 is, again, go back to your multiplication. 4 times what gives you 24. And this 24 will be your total. 24 divided by 4 equals to something. So 4 times 6. Alright, so your answer here is a 6. So each worker gets 6 oranges. Next, put 27 stuffed toys equally on 3 shelves. So 27 stuffed toys equally on 3 shelves. Okay, so we know the total is 27. 3 shelves. So go back to your multiplication if you cannot do your division. So 3 times what gives you 27? 3 times, yes? 3 times 9, yes. 27, okay? So that's your answer. So bring down, so 9 is your answer. Okay, let's do the next one. Put 18 pieces of bread equally into baskets of 3. So that's putting again, so it's division. So you know total is 18. Put it into 3. Basket of 3. So 18 divided by 3. You're not sure, so you go back to multiplication. What times 3 equals 18? And that is a 6. 18 divided by 3 is a 6. So that's your answer, 6. Okay, everyone. Next. Arrange 20 photographs equally. Again, equally means divide. Onto pages of 4. Okay, so total 4. So here will be what? Multiply by 4 will give you your 20. So that's a 5. So your answer here is 5. There are 5 pages of photographs. Okay? Right, next. So you have question 7. Divide 15 cupcakes. So 15 cupcakes equally into boxes of 3. Okay, so total first, divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is a... Okay, if you are not sure, then you go back. What times 3 equals to 15? And that's a 5. So here your answer is 5. Okay? Alright, move on. 8 times 4 equals 32. Write 2 division equations. So always remember total first, so that's 32. Now you can start with the 4 or you can start with the 8, up to you. So if you take 32 divided by 4, the answer will be 8. Next one, 32 still comes first, divided by 8, the answer is 4. Alright, the total always be in front. Okay, it's always in front. Okay, next. 6 times 3 is 18. Again, this is the total. So that's 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. And 18 divided by 6 gives you 3. Okay, right, next. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 is the total. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. 14 divided by 7 is a 2. Right? 5 times 10 is 50. 50 is the total. 50 divided by 5 is a 10. 50 divided by 10 is a 5. Alright, everyone? Okay, great. So once you are done with that, okay, I see you for the next lesson to complete the maths journal and the rest. Okay? Alright, bye.